Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So as of today is the 18th of June 2026. Okay, so um, today marks the 4th day of our 3rd week, and as per usual, I will let you know what I did today. So, but before that, guys, please go and watch my video on Monday. So you guys just see that what happened yesterday. So today is the Thursday, right? This happened on the Wednesday midnight. Okay, I think around 2 p.m. New York afternoon, right? New York afternoon session. So do you see that this area, this yellow zone that I marked? This area, I marked it on Monday. Why? Okay, let me recap for you. This is actually the area where there is a daily time frame fair value gap, and change break of structure fair value gap. That means this is very strong. Okay, this fair value gap is very strong, and also the overlapping for the break of structure 1 hour time frame fair value gap, man. That means that this area is super strong. Okay, this overlapping area. Okay, so please go and watch my video on Monday. What I said, okay, was the price will tap this area and close the gap. What I said literally came true, man. So exactly what I said. So, but of course, I don't place it here because my entry model is 5 minutes, right? So if I were to enter here, the stop loss is gonna be very big. So obviously we won't be placing our entry here, right? So imagine if I were to place my entry 400 pips and 500 pips. So it's not something that I will do. Okay, but it's just that I want to show you guys that I actually predicted this. Okay, so let us continue to our usual session. Okay, let you know what I did. So actually today I did 2 trades. Okay, one trade is a winning one and another one is a losing one. So the first trade I did was a losing trade. Yeah, which is this one. Okay, when you guys see that, can you guys see that there is a fair value gap here? Okay, that is formed during a break of structure. Okay, but actually I already think that before I enter, for me this is actually a weak fair value gap. Okay, but I want to respect the what they call the our entry model. So why I say that this is a weak fair value gap? Okay, normally, like I told you guys, what we are looking for is there is a strong closure, right? This is a strong closure, and then there's a fair value gap that's found. Okay, so because what I usually look for is there is a period of time for the liquidity to form. Okay, so what I look for is where price bounce around. There is a consolidation here around this area before the action, right? I can give you some example. Okay, for example, is this. Okay, you see, there has to be some consolidation. Okay, so how many candles around here? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Oh wait, so this is 22 15 to this is around a 2 hour consolidation. Okay, so that means that there's a lot of sellers here, right? Literally so many sellers here with their stop loss around this area, and also there's a lot of buyers here with their stop loss around this area. Okay, so what I look for is what I wanted was around something like this. Okay, so whenever there is the area of liquidity, okay, or area of consolidation, and the fair value gap breaks the consolidation, that means that it needs to have a certain amount of money for it to break, right? I mean, a certain amount of power, okay, for it to break. So that's why this fair value is strong. Okay, but for this, okay, even though the pips move in a big direction, okay, this was 500 bars, I mean 500 pips, right? So even though the movement is big, but the consolidation time is very slow, I mean very less, okay? So it literally like only consolidates for 30 minutes, and then I think not even 30 minutes, okay? This is the start of the consolidation, right? This candle. So from here to here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 candles, I mean 25 minutes, right? So for the move to get this full liquidity before going down, that means for this fair value gap to form is very easy. The amount of liquidity needed for this fair value gap to form is not that big, not that much, right? So I felt not that confident, right? So, but based on our entry model, I must enter, right? So, but of course, we can, I mean, I just took it as a learning session. Based on our loss, I mean, our entry model, my stop loss needs to be here, right? 50% of the fair value gap, and then above this candle, slightly above. So, but it was 220 pips, okay? So instead of this, I just slightly visit lower lah. Okay, so at first I saw I was placing in here, so I think it was something around here. So and when I saw there is a engulfing here, so because normally after an engulfing, so there is also a chance for the price to come back here and then shift the liquidity. So there might also be a chance where there is a consolidation, right? So I added a little bit more to the stop loss, okay? So at least it wasn't here, right? So it was here, then you have lost more. But I just place it around here, okay? But eventually it was a loss, okay? So it's fine because we are here to learn, okay? So I am here to learn, okay? So that means now I must remember, when I saw that there wasn't much consolidation here, this fair value gap is big, okay? That means I might as well to enter, okay? Or maybe I enter using this entry, right? But of course, the stop loss will be, I mean, maybe here, right? Somewhere around here, or just here, okay? If we ever touch, right? But it did not, because the price might come out for more liquidity, right? Okay, but that one was that's something that we can do next time. Okay. All right. So here comes the second trade. So this is the second trade. Okay, there is a break of structure here, right? Break of structure. Actually, this wasn't a strong break of structure. Okay, but you guys see that there is a IFPG here, right? That means this fair value gap is not weak as well, okay? Especially it broke the IFPG and it has been retested, okay? But of course the candle was here, okay? So the zone is here, right? So and of course the fair value gap is here. So based on the, I mean, this is overlapping, right? Overlapping. So that's why I feel that this is a zone that can be trusted. But before this, I already confident that the price will go below this line. Why? Because when I go and check the fair value gap, check the bias, okay, in the 4 hour. You guys see that there is a change of character here, right? At least I saw, right? I just simply place a line here, right? So my zone was around this area, right? This is my zone. So whenever there is a change of character here, okay, and there is a support here, I would say support here, and this support is very strong. Why? The price taps into this support, you guys, it retested and go up. It's already proved that this support is very strong, okay? So, and this support is very close to our fair value gap. So that means that 99% chance it will come down, right? So since I'm this confident, isn't it better for me to place my buy here, okay, instead of instead of this this is 50%, okay? Isn't it better if I buy here? To reduce my risk, okay? But I did not. Okay, why? Because I want to respect our entry model. Okay, like I said before. Okay, because this is another thing already. This is not the fair value gap entry. Okay, this is our fair value gap entry here. Okay, but if I were to place it down, this is not the our entry model anymore. Okay, so I don't want to I don't want to mix it up. Okay, so since I'm entering here and I believe that there will be a reaction, okay, so especially there is a IFVG and fair value gap overlapping, okay, so that's why. So it was here. Yeah. So the entry is here, and then my stop loss is around here. Okay, like this is the candle, so I place it 20 pips, 30 pips around. 10 to 20 pips below, right? So it wasn't much difference. You see, there's only 30 pips difference. Okay, so to be honest, okay, I already know that it will 100% it will come down. 100%. Okay, so it will come and test this area once again. It's just that we don't know how much it will go down. But of course, okay, I won't be setting my stop loss here lah. Okay, literally impossible. Okay, I won't be setting it. So I only set it here, and then since this is the fair value gap, and what the price did, okay, so it goes up. Okay, my target was here because there is a double top, right? So that means the triple top, actually triple top. So of course it will come up. 100% it will come up. Okay, it's just a matter of time. So what happened was the price taps into our zone, consolidate a little bit, go up without touching the zone, came back down, hit our break even, and then go up. Okay, but it did the job. Okay, it's just that it hits our break even. Okay, so I didn't take partials, right? Because I am confident, 100% confident that it will hit this. Okay, 100%. Okay, if I were to enter without using our rules, okay, I will even place it more. Okay, after I saw the reaction, I will place it more, let the price run a little bit more, and then I won't set break even because I'm confident. I'm 100% confident it will go up. Okay, so but it's okay. Okay, we follow our rules. Okay, I am forcing myself to follow the rules for the month of June. Okay, so this is success. Profit trade lah, 50 pips. So that's all, right? This is the 2 trade that I did. So and now the price is consolidating once again. If okay, I believe, right, if the price close, okay, the 4-hour close below this line, just now the line, okay, this line, okay, if it close below this line, then I believe the price will continue going down. But if it didn't, then I believe that the price will maybe this is what the price will do, huh? Consolidate, and then break or fracture. Okay, so my entry that I will look for tomorrow is a buy here. Okay, but if the price goes down, close below, I believe that what it will do is it will go down, retest. Okay, retest this area because this area has become our the supply. Okay, so our resistance lah, it will come down, then it will go down. Then we will look for sell here. I will look for sell here. Okay. I will look for a fair value gap here and for the sell. Okay. So this is what I will do. But I believe that the price there's a chance the price will continue going up because there is so much liquidity here, right? So this is a magnet. The price will eventually come back. Okay, so when will it be? I don't know. Okay, but based on the price action now, I believe that there is a chance for the price to close above this zone, go up. Right? I actually place a sell here, but I will be removing it later. And I will remove now because it's already 11. But if the price did not come back until tomorrow, then I will be placing it at the same area, exact same area. This area. Why? Like I told you guys, there is a consolidation, right? Consolidation. So that means for this price to break below, it needs a lot of money, right? A lot of supply for it to break down. So there is bound to be a reaction here. Okay, I believe so. Okay, so it's just that I don't know whether maybe the price by the time I wake up tomorrow is already reacted with this, then it's fine. You can look for another entry. Okay, so that's all for today, and I will see you guys later. Bye.
Order filled.
Best to give me your loyalty, 'cause I'm taking the world, you'll see. They'll be calling me. They'll be calling me royalty. Best to give me your loyalty, 'cause I'm taking the world, you'll see. They'll be calling me. They'll be calling me royalty.
Order filled. order film.